Bit windy. Don't know how we've actually managed this, but we are on the top of the roof of the pits, basically, at the Jerez circuit. There's a rider down there just being briefed, shouting at him, and they're just pootling around. So, test track day thing. No, it's racing tomorrow, so this is just the... Sorry, they're very loud. It's racing tomorrow, so this is them just having a feel for the circuit. It goes out over the back there. There's another one. Whee! And then round the back over there. I'll walk you down here. We parked up outside, asked the security guard where to go, and he said, leave your van here, hopefully it's there when we get back, and just walk in. So we just walked in, and then we just saw the steps up onto the roof and thought, you know what, we'll come up here for a bit. So this is oh hang on, it's taking the long route. I don't know what's going on there. So that's them heading to the start-finish straight, effing and blinding. What are you doing? I'll go coming into the pit lane now, that might be why. Aha, stopped. Red flag. That could be the end of this. It could go quiet now, thank goodness. You see them all coming in. And then you can look out over this way and watch them all coming round. And then if we walk round this side, past the lift, we might get the lift back down because the stairs are quite wobbly. Oh, we might not get the lift back down. The stairs were quite wobbly. There's the paddock. Oh, it's windy on this side, sorry. There's the paddock and the grandstands. And the last of the bikes coming in. There we go, looks like that session's done. There's a little kid down there, I don't know if you can see him scooting around on a scooter. He was getting his knee down on it earlier, Joe was quite entertained. About a few kilometres over that way is Jerez. So, hopefully, we don't see why not, they're quite chilled about it, we'll be stopping outside the front gate for the night. Okay, the bikes are out, if you can hear me, the bikes are out and they're very loud. Just see them all fluting past. So it's a Friday afternoon, and 3:15 on a Friday afternoon, sitting in the sunshine. Here we are. Hang on, spin this round. Nobody for miles. It's not bad, is it? That's it, stick with hand signals, quite hear a thing. Okay, that noise is 1 minute to go before the warm-up lap. We're at Jerez, hence the sherry bottle on the top of the tower over there. And this is the it's the free weekend of Andalusia and interterritorial racings. These are the 600s, and they're just getting ready to go. She's laid down in front, it's got 30-second board. Pit lane is now clearing. Grid's clearing. Coming in, it's all piling into pit lane. There we go. That's 30 seconds. This is better than the previous one, because they're having to roll them forward and back to get them started previously. These seem to be able to start their own. Just heading off for the warm-ups, we're not getting too excited. We're on the roof of the pit, by the way. That's a little bit noisier. Coming in now, line up for the start, this should be fun. The roof, like I say, we're on the roof of the pit lane. It's quite busy. There's some people up here. It's a free weekend of motorsport, so we're parked outside the gates and we're here to watch the fun. Here we go. Lights are on. I'll show you the rooftop shuffle in a minute. They're going to come back round this corner and then the rooftop shuffle begins. As everyone in the pit lane's piling out now. And there we go, here's the rooftop shuffle. Everybody runs from one side of the roof to the other. Because you can see the rest of the track off this side. Here they all come. We've got the paddock below us. We've been able to wander around there freely all day. Parking, we're actually staying just the other side of that gate there. That's where we are for the weekend, where we've been on the front gate. Can't believe that, for free. Here they come. I'll show you all the way around so you've seen a full lap. I've got about, I think there's 6 races today, we've already had one. We'll be over on the grandstand over there later because it's beautiful. You're just sitting facing the sun, watching the bikes go around. Have a little look and see what's happening down in the paddock. Not a lot, it's very quiet. There's been people going around on scooters and segways. Here come the bikes. And there's just the hairpin at the end of where we are. So what happens now is the reverse shuffle, and you've got to leg it back before the leaders get across and find a space.